Dutch bucket update, July 29th, Wednesday, and we dodged the bullet of Hurricane Douglas, and I'm so happy to report that I have no damage. I was really stressing out about this Dutch bucket experiment and thinking, oh no, it's all gonna go. But the bees are back, they're happy pollinating. And we've got these 2 long cucumbers to harvest today. More on the way. And we got these 2 shorter. Oh, we got three cucumbers. I didn't see that guy back there. And then we have this one to harvest. And I think that's, and that one to harvest. And we got more coming. And moving the eggplants to a sunnier location in the lineup has helped. String beans, not so much, but the eggplants have a lot of new growth. My cutting bucket is a success. I transplanted 2 more basils and 1 poha. And the tomatoes are doing okay. I actually do have some tomato fruit, and this sticky one is just not getting unstuck. So that one might have to go. But this one, and this is just 1 bucket. So I've got 1, 2, 3 tomatoes here. And I have 1 more here. So that's good. And these string beans, I'm going to probably get rid of them and plant like okra. And then the eggplant, looks like we might have hopefully some fruit soon. But it's okay in this location because its growth was over the shady part. And I moved this down, and I might just leave it down. I think it's okay with the rain. And my rain barrels are doing really well. I've got 1, 2, and a quarter. Was hoping for more rain from Douglas, but oh well, just glad it didn't kill us. And these are my basil transplants that I started in the Dutch bucket. And as soon as I get time, I'm gonna put this all back to where it was. But just really, really stoked that I did not lose this. Very stoked. The sun is up. It's a beautiful day in Hawaii. Ahui ho.